For this wonderful topic, I'd like to recount a recent visit to my sister's new home in the bustling heart of a city. This trip was particularly special as it marked her transition from a beloved family member to the role of a wife, living in the vibrant urban center. My sister, Sarah, tied the knot a couple of months ago, and now she resides in a chic apartment in the city center. It was my first visit since her marriage, and I was eager to see her new life unfold in the lively atmosphere of the city. The weekend was a whirlwind of urban adventures, from exploring trendy cafes to taking evening walks in the nearby parks. The city offered a vibrant backdrop to our time together. I had the opportunity to meet her spouse, and we all spent an evening reminiscing about old times and sharing dreams for the future. Sarah's apartment, nestled among towering skyscrapers, provided a stark contrast to our family home. The visit included a tour of her stylish abode, where she showcased her newfound skills in homemaking and decorating. What made this visit memorable was witnessing my sister's transformation into a wife and a city dweller. There was a unique energy in the urban landscape, and it was fascinating to observe how she seamlessly blended her small-town charm with the fast-paced rhythm of city life. Moreover, the visit allowed us to create new memories. We explored hidden gems in the city, savored diverse cuisines, and shared laughter amid the urban hustle. The experience was a testament to the evolving nature of family bonds and the joy of celebrating each other's milestones.